My name's Jim Kirkland. I'm the Nuaber Foundation Professor of Aging Research at Mayo Clinic. I'm also President of the American Federation for Aging Research, and I'm Principal Investigator on something called the Translational Geroscience Network. I'm a geriatrician, endocrinologist, and internist, but also a PhD molecular biologist, and I'm interested in developing interventions that delay, prevent, or alleviate multiple diseases by going after fundamental aging processes. One of the things that we're working on is the cellular senescence program, and the other, my colleague Andrew Terzic, is looking at cardiovascular issues. And so there are a series of experiments that both of our groups are doing with Larry and the other astronauts' help. The project that my lab's working on and my group's working on is mainly related to a process called cellular senescence. So, cellular senescence is a fundamental aging mechanism. They're what we call the so called pillars of aging, and they're joined together. They're in what we call a unitary hypothesis. And these fundamental aging processes appear to be root cause contributors to multiple conditions. So the idea is to find out on a short space mission where there's the predominant effect will be zero gravity, some radiation, if senescence develops. Larry and his group are also taking up cells that we're providing with them that are what we call pre-senescent. These are human cells in culture. They're going to be tending the cells while they're up there and changing the medium on them. And we're asking whether those cells become senescent in space. So special culture containers had to be developed for this by Axiom, special incubators. And Larry, we've trained him and his colleagues in how to change the medium. They have to take up these needles. And when he comes back, we'll have parallel cells on the ground that we will compare to the cells that have been up in space. And the insights that we will get from the experiments he is planning to do, both allowing his own blood and other fluids to be analyzed, and also by looking after cells that are taken in space, could help a lot of people with a lot of conditions that go far beyond space travel to everything from childhood cancer survivors through to Alzheimer's disease.